And he's back.
What's up?
She asked him where he was going, and he came running back.
Oh, you're a good boy. Come on.
Look at him.
Come on. Let's sit down and talk. Let's sit down and talk. Come on. Do you sit? Sit closer every time.
Mm-hmm.
That would hurt. That beak, if he pecked, would hurt.
He's thinking, she looks like family. She got a beak too.
Shut up. Tell him I shut up. What does he know? What does he know about beaks? Ah, you're a good boy. What do you sit there? Now, those are
Geckos.
those are geckos. That's your prey.
He wants to eat them geckos.
That's your prey. Is your mama looking for you, maybe?
He says, I am the mama. Or the daddy.
Daddy.
We don't know.
You gotta feed your babies. You gotta go get some food for your babies. Is it time for them to eat?
You should just walk down the driveway and see if he follows you.
I'm not dressed for this.
He obviously likes what you're wearing. He must really dig that purple bathrobe.
Oh, what do you see? What do you see, buddy? Where are you going? No. What you doing? What are you doing?
Look at him. He's in love with you.
What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Come on. You like that birdie up there? That's a pretty birdie, huh? He's almost as pretty as you. There's a squirrel. There's a squirrel behind you. He's going up in the tree. See him? See him? Go get that squirrel. What you doing? What you doing, big guy? Or girl?
Okay, come on, walk over here again, Mary. This guy's just gonna follow you. You're like a mother duckling.
What are you doing? What? I think maybe it's time we should maybe start thinking about maybe getting something done today. Come on, Tati. Come on, this way. Come on.
Mary wants to get her day started, but this is just too fascinating. This has never happened before. He likes it in the carport better. Just come walk back up to your chair. Let's see how close he gets.
I'll walk on this side.
Mm-hmm.
No, move.
Yeah, but he'll come to you. Just keep walking.
I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Hmm?
Put out your hand like you have something. See what he does. No, stretch him out.
That's not fair. Psych. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing, baby? Hmm? Yep, Zimmer.